Hi there and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how you can get free access to a 5-part AI course by an online company called Wealthy Affiliate. If you want to get started with making money online but you're not sure where to start and you don't want to spend too much of money, then this might be a great avenue for you to test the waters with Wealthy Affiliate. So let's dive right in and let me show you the process of creating a free account with Wealthy Affiliate and then how to access their free AI training. So let's check it out. Rapid business growth and learn from real experts and case study. Plus there's a bonus where you can get $10 in AI credits for your content tools. So let's sign up with an email. So I'm gonna go ahead and gonna put my name, going to put in an email address, and then I'm gonna create a password, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on start your AI journey. Right, and let's see what happens. Okay, so here we are in your free Wealthy Affiliate account. They've given you an automatic username, Rupesh6. You just received your first message. This is where you will find all of your notifications when fellow members leave your messages. Where there is a red bubble, you'll know that there are new notifications. Okay, so congratulations. This is Kyle. Kyle is one of the co-founders of Wealthy Affiliate. It's Kyle and Carson, and we have just granted you 2,000 AI credits to use with our AI platforms. Happy publishing. Okay, so here we are in the free starter account of Wealthy Affiliate. I just want to walk you around this area. Um, so on the left hand side, this is all the tabs that you can click to. As a starter member, you will not access the live chat as yet, but you have to create an account. That's the first step that you'll have to do. And then you get started with the core training. And that's a training that I chatted to you about in the beginning. That's the access to the free AI video course. And I'm going to show you in a minute what the training looks like. When you click on start the training, you learn the exact system that our top earners use, choose a profitable niches, build websites, drive traffic, and earn commissions, and 24/7 community support available. You can also promote Wealthy Affiliate if you want to, and they've got an excellent affiliate program. They pay really well, and they give you that as a starter member. You have your own affiliate ID, and you can start promoting them on various social media channels. And then these are the various blogs that people or the community within Wealthy Affiliate they write about, talk about their success stories, or they maybe want to share something they've learned about their business. And there is a lot of cool stories that you can check out. Now, I just want to show you that when you want to create your profile, you just gotta upload an image, talk a bit about yourself, and then you set your goals. So that's the first part on you setting up your profile. And then if you choose to upgrade, you get 50% off when you upgrade your membership. And when you upgrade to one of the paid plans, they got two paid plans. They got the premium and they got the premium plus, and you get instant help to 24/7 expert live chat. You can network with affiliate marketers, and you can blog, build a following, get community reach. You can gain status within the community. There's some various ways that you can earn within Wealthy Affiliate, and you can stay in the know. Daily video classes, daily videos and classes streamed directly to you, and live daily marketing discussions. Now, let's check out that free training. Okay, so Let's click on start the training. So it says it's a 5-part AI video series, but as you can see, you're part of the core training phase 1 and it's lesson 1 of 6. So this is the first things that you will learn. First, it's a welcome video by Kyle. Then the next training is how the make money online process works. Then the next part is setting money goals and accessing live chat, creating a hub for your business, and then crafting your first niche post using our designer, and then it's choosing a brand for your business. So that is the first 6 lessons that you can access for free at Wealthy Affiliate. And then the cool part is once you finish with the training, as you can see here at the bottom here now, you can have access to a chat and you can simply just type down here and say, I enjoy the training or something like that, and just click on post and another member will chime in here. For instance, here Kyle says, welcome back, it's great to have you back. If you need anything at all as you move forward, don't hesitate to reach out. So that is the access to the core training of Wealthy Affiliate. I just want to show you part 2, how the make money online process works. That's Kyle again with the video, and it's setting your money goals and accessing the live chat. See, after you finish each lesson, what's really cool is that you just click on here, so it shows that you have completed 2 of 6 lessons. So it's a nice checkpoint for you to see where you are within Wealthy Affiliate. And the great part is that none of this is going to cost you any money. It's totally free to get started with. So go ahead and click on the link that is in the video description to start accessing the free AI course at Wealthy Affiliate. There you go. I showed you how to create a free account with Wealthy Affiliate. I showed you how to access the free training that they offer. You've also seen what the platform looks like on the inside. Now the big question is Wealthy Affiliate for you? You might be asking, is this platform really for me? Is this what I see myself doing a few years down the line? And the answer is, it depends on what you want to achieve. At the end of the day, Wealthy Affiliate teaches you on how to first get started with building a website and using AI to build content for your website, getting the content rank, and getting high quality traffic and earning commissions from your website. At the end of the day, it's a very good way to get started, but it's going to take time. You're going to be building an online asset, and that's the best way of producing money in any business. You have to have an asset. So Wealthy Affiliate helps you get started with a website. But that goes without saying, they also teach you other methods to getting traffic to your business. You also learn about YouTube, about Pinterest. So there's training on social media as well. They also teach you about paid advertising. And it's a great way for a beginner to get started in the world of online affiliate marketing. As you have seen, it doesn't cost you anything to get started, to test the waters and take it from there. I have put a link in the video description, so go ahead and click on the link if you want to explore more on Wealthy Affiliate. And I am a member within Wealthy Affiliate, so feel free to reach out to me at any time and I'll be there to help you out. Thanks so much for checking out this video. I hope that it has helped you out. If you have any questions or any comments, leave it below and I'll definitely get back to you. And don't forget to subscribe so that we can chat in my next video. Take care and goodbye.